Poing, 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 poing. Of course, people love shopping, and that too especially girls and ladies. So I have got this on sale. I got a ruler which is flexible and another ruler, a permanent drawing pen, and a few pens. I don't know what exactly this is. I just got it like very cheap, so I bought it. Yeah. And this is an erasable highlighter. And this is the grand pens. These are color pens which are like pens, but they come in different colors. So we have gold, silver, blue, black, red, green, brown, orange, pink, and purple. So let's open this. I'm so excited. So it's like very easy to open. It's like a Ziploc bag and it's like very easy to open. These are the amazing pens. Let's go and test them. I actually have Octane pens, but they're like black gel pens. I never got these color Octane pens, so I know how Octane pens are. They're very comfortable and amazing. I actually got these pens from Grofers. That's where you find very cheap stuff and like that. So if you even wanna join Grofers, then you can join and you can use my referral code, which I'll leave in the description below. So far, both and silver are fantastic. I think when I saw them, I thought it was glitter, but it's not. It's just pens and glitter. It's really cool. Now black is the same, but this is very normal. So that would be seen every year. I think and they are really smooth writing buttons. You know, sometimes these pens have these. I confuse really red and pink. Now, confusing this part of the thing. I know it's today, but you know, I started confused with red or pink, which is like not very good. I'm not good at so yeah, if I do next one, like wood or do you like? So for today, I hope you enjoyed. Please give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe for my daily updates to get many more unboxing videos like this. So make sure you don't forget to use my referral code in the description below. Until the next video, goodbye.